Hello and welcome to the Random Bros. Airports are back open after a long time and we're traveling back to our home country for holidays, as university is closed for the summer. So this quick video is to basically inform you that for the time spent to our home island, the projects that we're currently doing will be halted and we will instead focus on doing some in-depth reviews, recommendations and testing revolving around scuba diving equipment as it's our main sport. The main reason we called the channel this way was to give us the flexibility of being able to share and expand our knowledge when it comes to scuba diving, 3D printing and videography in general. So if you'd like to join our growing community and enjoy quick yet explanatory random videos, you are more than welcome to do so. Also, make sure to comment what would be the best diving equipment to review first. Bye.